Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a small Dollar Tree haul. Scott and I went and did our grocery shopping, and there's a Dollar Tree toward our grocery store, then a different Dollar Tree that I went to yesterday. So I talked him in and stopping, and I'm glad we did because I found a few items that I didn't see at my Dollar Tree, as I call it. I got some lawn stakes. They look little gnomes. Aren't they cute? I had to buy them. They're going on in my front yard. They're so cute. So I got all four of them. They're all Americana. Damn. I decorate my house for 4th of July. And then I found two different trucks that I didn't have. Those are cool. So them are cool. So I got them. And then I thought these were so neat that I bought these for myself to do. They are the DIY wind chime kit. You get the paint and all the stuff to do the wind chime. And I love wind chimes. I don't know if you guys know that about me. I love wind chimes. I have wind chimes hanging outside my room, my window here. This one says, "Oh, beautiful America." It's shaped like a mason jar. And this one is stars with stripes. I'll probably go live and do these eventually. And this one says, welcome something. This says welcome. Look, it's Uncle Sam's hat. Okay, so I got them. I thought those were so cool. Man, Sabrina showed me these cool sticker packs that she came across. Mine did not have them. Well, this one did. And I thought, wow, them are cool. So I found them. And I got carried away because I bought everyone. Got hello and a flamingo, summer, the little VFW van, flippy flops, pineapple, surfboard, summer with a dolphin. And then you flip it up. There's 69 pieces in this. And you got I love summer, hello summer, welcome summer, sun kiss, chill, sweet summer, sun, hello, summer is coming. Crazy flamingo lady, VFW van, say hello to summer, enjoy summer, summertime. I wish I could say hello to summer. It's cold today. It's rainy and ucky. And then alphabets. So that's that one. It's cool. I got that one. Then I got the birthday one. Happy birthday. You get balloons, cupcakes, presents, party hat, and a cake. Sayings are, surprise for you. Hooray, you're invited. It's party time. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Celebrate birthday wishes. Wish. And of course, the alphabet. And then I got this one. It says love, love is. I got the keys, the bird, love, smile, love. And then oh, one and only, love, forever love, XO. Hashtag little things, our story, mine, you, and me. We belong together, true love. You hold the key to my heart. You warm my heart, hugs and kisses. And then the alphabet. Got the travel one because I like the bus. And the luggage, I thought was cool. Travel. It says home, travel, enjoy the journey, road trip. The luggage, so cool. I could handle just a sticker sheet of suitcases. Would be awesome. Road trip, journey, explore, destination, travel around the world, great adventure, see the world, one way, say cheese. To travel is to live. Let's go on a journey. And then the alphabet. I like how the letters match. Good. If you were a scrapbooker where you did a page layout, these would be perfect. And then this one's BFF. Good times. I like the little teapot. Pals forever. Look at the little mason jar. Best friends. Little cupcake. Oh, popsicle. And then they flip. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Butterfly. This is us. Forever. Memories. Great time. Anchor. BFF. Best friends forever. Best friends. Pals. Smile. Life is better with friends and besties. And a pretty alphabet. So personally, I would have stuck another sheet of alphabets in there. You only get one sheet. Then, I don't know why I bought these, but I saw the globe and I thought it was cute. I wanted that. The little school bus with a raccoon. Back to school. As I said, these are perfect for scrapbook layouts. Go for it. Work hard. Anything is possible. Great job. Cool for school. Stay positive. I can learn anything. Today's your day. You got this. Believe in yourself. You are more than enough. I love school. Dream big. You can do it. Look at the rainbow lettering. Cute. I like how they kind of make these look like paper clips. Then, last one. And I bought it because I thought they were so cute. I wanted this one in the books. School bus. And then biology or whatever, chemistry bottles. Backpack, but you could cover that, something, so it looks just a suitcase. The books, the school days, and there you could also take the light off and put something there, in the globe. And it says, back to school, awesome, hello, go for it, cool for school, good luck, good work, well done. School day, I love school, you did it. And then the matching letters. And that's my big Dollar Tree haul. But I did stop at 2 garage sales and only bought two things actually. I bought some checkers, 50 cents. Good deal on them. And you will see what I'm going to do with these in the future. And then I had these. The guy had them for $1. And I like the size of them. And they're very solid chip pieces. And I got plans for them as well. So, for $1, I took them with me. Oh, you can feel the ball. Oh, I just realized that. That's alright. Oh, look at furry. Oh, maybe I won't use them. I didn't realize that. What the hell's a tractor? Kind of leaf. There. Oh, maybe I'll give them. But who knows? You never know. I'm only owed $1 if I choose not to. Dan, he put them in his bag, and I was like, what the hell's in his bag? Because I think he thought I was buying for kids. This is so funny. Because it's one of those things I say when I look through. And that's how I see. Little kaleidoscope things. So yeah, I figured I'd give nothing else. I'll give these to Diamond to stick them in Coda's birthday bag because I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with all this. Because what the hell is that? I guess it's supposed to spin out somehow. Oh, interesting. Ooh, look at it. Ooh, oh, look at it. Whistles. Oh, look at that. I used to love that. I don't even know what Battle Royal is. Oh, bag full. I don't know why you guys. Maybe because he's I don't know. Ooh, look at that dog tag. And Diamond can stick them in kids' bags. Oh, woohoo! That was exciting. All this stuff that he put in those birthday bags. The parents are like, oh god. Ooh, flies though. Damn, see that? Ooh, that's kind of cool. All right, go get that back so I don't lose that little frisbee thing. So I don't know why he gave me them, but whatever. Oopsie. So that is my big shopping experience. Small and big. I thank you guys for watching. As I always do. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, that's how I see. You guys gonna see through there? Okay. See how that looks? That's exactly how I see out of my eye. See, I always wondered? That's what I was describing to you. That's how I see. Right there. In my one eye. Interesting, isn't it? Yeah. And I still accomplished what I got. What I do. Just play tricks on me, though. Okay. Do you imagine when it's colored? Yeah. So I get headaches sometimes. Let me put a piece of color, like something like this up. Ready? Okay. How that looks. Isn't that wicked? That's how I see. Alright, I messed with you guys enough. And I thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye.